who has reported? Riddhi, is there? Yes. Sia, yes. Himanshi, not yet. Ira, yes. Dev, yes. Ranveer, yes. Prithvi, not yet reported. Durga, not yet reported. Samia, yes. So, one, two, three, four. Four children yet to come. We'll wait 2 3 minutes. Uh, Last Wednesday we had exam, and for which I think Himanshi was absent, then Ira was absent. Ira? Ha.
सर मी पण ऍबसेंट होतो पण मी व्हिडिओ बघितला.
Okay, Ranveer was absent, and then Aditya was absent. Fine. But those who were present, they will tell you the exam was not that tough. Not at all, in fact. Riddhi, how did you find last Wednesday's session?
That you sent on and WhatsApp, so I got it and I was seeing all videos.
Dev?
Yes. And I like also that.
Yeah, good. Good. Dev, Samia, you enjoyed last session, no?
Yes, the exam was interesting.
Yes, sir. It was
Because
interesting.
it was not difficult questions, it was time based questions. You have to think fast, nothing else. A simple problem with time constraint, that was the thing. Okay, so today we may start something new as well. Let's hope you will understand, because now try to understand this. All difficult things you have to learn. All difficult things. So I kept exam on purpose because थोड़ा तो difficult होना चाहिए. Otherwise we will, this beginning level we will go on continuing. It is okay for me. And n number of problems I can give you. Your practice will be good, and whatever techniques so far I have taught you, you will become good. But what about new techniques? Yes, Ira.
मला जमत होतं,
Good.
वेळ लागला थोडा.
Very good.
व्हिडिओ बघ.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So what I wanted to ask is whether that difficulty level you would be able to take or not. Difficulty level I am asking. So should I go for little difficult things for learning purpose, which
Yes, sir.
we haven't started yet at all. We haven't started difficult things. Let us see if I can teach you. Have we learned about back rank?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But how many problems we solved for back rank? Only at a beginner level.
सर बॅकरँक कसं करायचं मला नाही माहिती.
Okay, okay. Then I will teach you. I will teach you back rank today again, and with all these back rank problems, first few problems I will solve for you. So that means teaching will be there if you have forgotten, and if you have not forgotten, it will be refreshing back rank. But it will take around half an hour. After that, we will be taking little difficult problems for back rank. Okay? Are you ready for those little difficulty? Show me your thumb. Good. Good. Ira is not showing me any thumb. Ira is doing like always like this. इसका मीनिंग कुछ अलग ही होता है ना. हाँ, या इरा 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 ऐसी करती. ओके ओके इरा बेटा. लेट्स गो डायरेक्टली. आज दो तीन जन नहीं है. आदित्य नहीं है, दुर्गा नहीं है, पृथ्वी नहीं है. व्हाट इज दिस? हिमांशी नहीं है. एनीवे आई विल स्टार्ट. कुछ मैसेज है क्या ग्रुप पर? किसी ने मैसेज भेजा है? पर्टिकुलरली दुर्गा, बिकॉज शी नेवर मिसेस हर क्लास. शी इज सो पर्टिकुलर अबाउट इट, गिविंग मैसेज एंड ऑल. जस्ट लेट मी चेक. No message as such. Fine. Okay. Clearing. Now, what is back rank? For all of you, again, I will tell you. This is back rank for black, and this is back rank for white. सबसे पीछे जो रैंक है उसे बैक रैंक बोलते हैं. So for white this is back rank and black this is. Okay. Now what is the importance of back rank? I will show you. Usually what happens, your king castles. Okay, it is like this, castling, and after the castling this has gone for some purpose out for roaming. No, not roaming, for participating in the war. War is going on the board, and so this goes out and take part, active part in war. Now what has happened? This entire line, nobody is there for protection of that line. Line I am saying, I am not saying now king, I am saying line. Okay, and if opponents rook or queen say they come over here, or rook also, fine. Now this line they are attacking the king and it is a checkmate. So dangerous it is back rank. Protecting your back rank is utmost important to you, and that particular, while explaining back rank, I told you most of the mates, checkmates, they happen in back rank. You take any 10 games for analysis from net. You can download all those net games. Out of those 10 games, 5 games will be such that there will be a back rank mate. So much important for that back rank, so much importance. And how to save? Either you don't keep your back rank unguarded, or simply keep one small thing like this or like this up. Now you have space. So supposing this comes, sorry, this comes, then you have space to escape. Or this also is okay, you have space. Or even this also is okay, you have space. Some space, breathing space has to be there, then your back rank is little safe. I am not saying that it is not at all, अरे यार एक बार ये कर दिया पॉन आ गया तो अभी बैक रैंक में कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया तो भी चलेगा, तो ऐसा तो नहीं है. लेकिन little bit a breathing space for you कि your king will be saved and will not be harmed immediately. You understood that? This is for back rank. So you understood this is the back rank and this is also a back rank. Okay, and particularly when the pawns are like this, it is dangerous. Sometimes this is over here, this is here, and this is here. Still, it has created a back rank problem because king cannot go up because of own पीस. सो यहाँ पर पीस हो या पॉन हो, सामने वाले तीनों स्क्वायर अगर आपके फंसे हुए हैं, अटके हुए हैं, तो ऑलरेडी ऑक्यूपाइड, तो आप बैक रैंक ट्रबल में है, आ सकते हैं. So you have to recognize if opponent is in trouble with back rank, then you can go and attack that back rank. Or if you are in back rank, you see that you are not troubled by your opponent, or you take require precautions. इतना समझ में आ गया सबके? रणवीर, देव?
Yes, sir. Yes.
या
Yes, sir.
अभी थोड़ा सा कुछ चीजें रिपीट हो रही है, लेकिन can't help because you must understand this. I will take one or two simple problems of back rank, then you will understand it in a better way. Okay. Look at this position, all of you. You study for a while, and then you will find that black is really in a good position. Black has got queen, white has got queen equal. This is also equal, rook, but black has one piece extra. At the same time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pawns, and here only 4 pawns. So that means black is almost 7 points ahead. Black is 7 points ahead. यहाँ पर 1 point ahead होता है तो हम लोग जीतते हैं. यहाँ तो 7 point ahead है. That means almost 2 piece plus 1 pawn. You understood that? Or a major piece with 2 pawns. So 100% black is winning. Now,
No, sir.
wait. That is why I want to complete. At the same time, you can see that there is a trouble for black. That is black's back rank. Nobody is there for safe.
And rook is attacking.
Yes. And rook is attacking. And queen is also attacking. Both are attacking. Now if this plays check, then this is the saver. You got it? But what about if this plays? It's a check and mate. It doesn't require any support, nothing. Because these 3 pawns are doing his work, her work, I mean, queens. You understood this? Now, if it is black's turn, not white's turn, it is black's turn, and black says, oh, I am getting queen, and then it is a checkmate. Wow. Let us go about it. And he tries to kill. Then still, this is a backrank mate. Now this can come for a rescue for the temporary phase, but immediately it can be taken over, and again checkmate continues. Everybody saw this? Everybody
Yes.
understood this? Hands up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am going little fast so that you will understand all those, and then suddenly I will be increasing the toughness. Okay. Now look at this position. It is white to play. Oh, not this. Sorry. Look at this position. Now clearly this is also in back rank क्योंकि यहाँ पर 3 जन है उसके आगे and this is also in back rank. The supporter of the back rank is only this and this has this support and this support too. So quite a strong security. Here also this quite strong security. This is supporting both. So quite a strong security. Now that means both the sides are having a strong security. At the same time, who is attacking? Now white is attacking one and there is a second attack also. Two attacks are there and two supports are there. Two attacks and two supports are there. So either you have to increase the attack on the guards or you have to decrease the supporters. You know it, na? Simple technique. Attack बढ़ाओ या सामने वाले का डिफेंस कम करो. One has the same. Distract the opponent. Okay. So here it is white's turn. White has more chance to grab the back rank, and white does this by simply moving this queen over here. Think of the situation. What is happening? Now white क्या कर रहा है? क्वीन को फ्री दे रहा है. ले लो भाई, ले लो, कोई तो मेरी क्वीन ले लो. You understood that? अभी ब्लैक का तकलीफ ये है कि ब्लैक अगर क्वीन लेने के लिए गया अगर, तो इसके ऊपर जो सपोर्ट था ना 1 and 2, उसमें से एक सपोर्ट कम होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस, एक सपोर्ट इसका कम हो गया. नाउ यू टेक चेक. He will take. Again you take check and mate. You understood the idea? क्या किया? सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को निकाल दिया वहां से. अभी let us find what happens if security guard refuses to take the lollipop. This was the lollipop. Security guard said, no, I am not going to take this lollipop. I will refuse and I will continue. I can go over here also. I will continue here only, or I will continue here, continuing the support. You got it? Support is continued. So now this still has two supports. One is this and one is this. This still cannot kill this. Right? Or if he goes over here, then it is trouble, na? Check. This will go and again check and mate. So this must come over here only. No other way. So what you will do? It is your turn. White's turn. There is an attack. There is an attack. What you will do?
Sir,
Yes.
we should take the rook by queen. Sir,
Hmm.
sir, we can shoo away the black queen by moving the pawn in A2 to A4.
Yeah, that was a good idea. Very good idea. This is a very good idea. Absolutely good idea. 1 minute. Hello. Yes. Yeah. You have called on wrong time. But and I don't want any credit. Thank you very much. Sorry. Uh, that was a good idea. सिया हैज शोन क्योंकि इसको हटाना है लेकिन इसको हटाते वक्त नाउ इफ this kills this then
Sir, we kill back with the other rook.
you kill back with the other rook. Fine. Check.
No, sir. Yes.
Block with the rook.
Rook. Okay.
Again, rook takes rook.
Check.
Knight takes the rook.
Again check and move. तो जो ब्लैक को चेकमेट होना है वो व्हाइट को हो जाएगा. So this was a good idea, but ये तकलीफ है. There is a problem. So you have to find some other.
Sir, I have an idea.
Yes.
Knight can move to
See, now, wait. Earlier, with this problem, we had done this lollipop, okay? And black didn't take the lollipop and black came over here. Now you tell me what to do. So Sia's attempt was this to distract his attention, but this is the big trouble now. Then what? Knight. Where?
Knight to D4.
Knight to D4. Knight to D4 means you are attacking this, you are supporting this also, but then knight will get killed. And if this gets killed, if immediately this will go. Then if this goes, then checkmate. If this comes, then checkmate. So you give the chance to black and black immediately grabs and start killing it. So basically what has happened is that instead of you giving trouble to black, now black had started.
Knight.
Sir, knight g5.
Knight g5. What for? What purpose? Knight g5. This is going to take. No, not this. This takes check. This will go back. Then this takes. No. Knight g5. This cannot take. But this will take.
Sir,
Yes.
now the rook will take the queen.
If rook take check ना ये यहाँ से जो सपोर्टर है ये लाइन में वो सपोर्टर और गार्ड goes up immediately next person comes down. Now you cannot come back because this will also come. You understand it? So, at the most this will kill, but if this kills again this will come. Now if this kills again this will come. So this problem is always there. So what is to be done? And these are only I am showing you. I haven't yet started your puzzles. here this is also attacking. If try to remember, if queen takes rook, this rook takes queen, then rook over here, then this rook will take your rook will take that rook, and then this queen will take. So ultimately you are at loss. White is at loss. So,
And sir, what if the king will only come to f1?
king comes to f1. That is one of the best move. But still, this will take. Now you cannot take this. No? There is a mate.
Second.
This mate is always there, looming over. So white plays one of the most mesmerizing move, that is this.
Sir, I thought of that, but I thought that will not be correct.
Why not? It is a correct move. You know why? We have to distract.
Rook or queen will take.
We have to distract. No? Either we have to distract this or this. These are the guards for this. These both are guards, and we are attacking on the queen now. We attack from here. The attack failed because he came over here. Now we are still attacking. Now what will happen? There are 2-3 different circumstances. Either this will go back over here. You got it? Or this will kill. In any of the case, if it goes here, na, to save, this is gone. Straight. Check. ये मार दिया तो वापस दूसरा check and mate. तो ये particular line से किधर दूर हटना तो possible ही नहीं. So chances are 1 and chances are 2. You understood? So let us find one by one. If he takes this, then तक ये तो clear ही हो गया. ये मारेगा, फिर ये मारेगा mate. तो ये तो suicide है. Very bad. Other chance is this. Still ये मारेगा. इसने मार दिया तो ये मारेगा. One has the same. So this is also, so killing queen is very bad option. Killing queen is bad option. So
Sir, voice break होते.
killing queen is a bad option. So what he will do? He will try to go back. But if he goes back, then what he will play?
Prithvi joined.
Sir, the knight will come to
No question of knight. Don't worry.
e5.
No question of knight. Next move is one of the best moves. This. Say you are आप queen के पीछे ही पड़े हो. ये लाइन से क्वीन को हटाना है आपको. बस कुछ भी करो तो आपको ये मिल रहा है और चेकमेट है. इतना तो पता है. अभी यहाँ पर आने के बाद भी ये ना ये मार सकता है ना ये मार सकता है. कोई नहीं मार सकता. अभी ये वापस यहाँ पर आ गया तो इसे मारो. क्वीन के पीछे लगना है आपको. और क्या, ये चाहे कहीं भी जाने दो.
और सर,
हाँ,
we can move the pawn to b4. Then also queen is getting distracted only.
yeah, in this particular way, here also. Yeah.
No. b4, not a4.
B4 से क्वीन कैसे डिस्ट्रैक्ट होगा?
Queen will kill the pawn.
She will not take 1 point.
The queen, why queen will kill? Na?
Yes,
Why
without
queen will
reason.
kill? ये बीच में आएगा, इसको तकलीफ देगा पहले, ये आना बंद करेगा इसका सबसे पहले. अभी ये प्रॉब्लम में है, समझ गए?
Sir, the knight will move to
Yeah.
d4.
Yeah, this will come over here. Then permanent problem is gone. You understand why he will kill? This is not correct. इसके ऊपर प्रेशर रखना बहुत जरूरी है, और ये इधर आ गया तो इधर भी प्रेशर बनता है, इतना ध्यान में रखो.
Sir, then we can move the pawn to a4. Because then queen has to move somewhere.
A4. This na, this. So if this comes now, then you can kill. If this kills, then you kill this and checkmate. And if this kills, then you can kill this and checkmate. So this was a good move. Very good. Very good. So either this or either you can kill this also. No issue. Effect is same. Attack is remaining over here. But I think this move is much better. A4. Much better. This can go over here. Still it can go over here. But what will happen? This will simply come over here. That's all. अभी ये चेक यहाँ देने के लिए अगर आएगा तो ये तो है ही ना. Then he kills. If he comes again, अभी ये यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. अभी one queen extra, you are winning. This was much difficult problem, of course, but it was meant for showing you how back rank works, how back rank checkmate works. So very unfortunately, a difficult problem was chosen. You understood it? Yes.
Sir,
Please ask. Rest, please keep your mics on before. There is lot of noise.
Riddhi, your background voice is more than you.
Yeah. And who has the doubt? Riddhi only. Riddhi, you have the doubt? I think she is only having a
Yes,
doubt.
Riddhi was asking something.
Yeah. Later type it possibly, or otherwise she should ask. And again, अभी उसने ये किया. Very good. Good Riddhi. Yes, Riddhi.
If the knight will come to d4, then
D4 na, you said na, when knight comes to D4, this will kill na. If knight comes, this was the original position.
the knight is supporting to queen also.
Yeah, but supporting queen and attack by a small piece. No meaning of the support. Absolutely no meaning of the support. मैंने ये एग्जाम्पल आपको कम से कम 3-4 बार दिया है. If you are in a lift और आपके लिफ्ट में कोई औरत या कोई मदर और फादर, they also come beside you, और उनके साथ बहुत ही छोटी बच्ची है या बच्चा है, और वो बच्चे ने अगर आपके बाल खींच लिए लिफ्ट में, ना आप उसको कुछ कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि उसके मम्मी डैडी साथ में है और आपने उसको एक बजाया भी तो भी लोग बोलेंगे इतने छोटे बच्चे को क्या मारते हो। तो उसमें एक ही रास्ता है कि सबसे नजदीक फ्लोर वाला बटन दबाओ, लिफ्ट रुकेगी तो वो सीधा चुपचाप लिफ्ट में से बाहर निकलो, उनको जाने देने का और वापस दूसरे लिफ्ट से नीचे जाने का। दैट इज द ओनली वे टू रन फ्रॉम दिस सिचुएशन, दैट इज द ओनली वे। हियर ये बहुत छोटा बच्चा है, ये छोटा बच्चा इसको मार रहा है, अभी इसको सपोर्ट होगा या नहीं होगा क्या मतलब है, आपका तो बड़ा पीस जाएगा ना बेटा, इज्जत तो उतरेगी। तो यहां से भागने में ही समझदारी है। So when you say there is a support, तो ये ध्यान में रखना है कौन किसके ऊपर अटैक कर रहा है और कौन सपोर्ट दे रहा है। छोटे पीस से बड़े पीस पर अटैक है तो भागो, बड़े पीस से छोटे पर है और सपोर्ट है तो दैट इज गुड। You got it? So you everybody understood this problem. What we did, we already know. I am talking for white. We already knew that there is a checkmate possibility, and
Yes.
for that these two are the supporters. So we started attacking supporters. See here also you could have done this, but this is little wrong. ये मारेगा ही नहीं, ये पहले इसको मारेगा और ये अगर इसने मार दिया तो फिर ये बाद में ये मारेगा, तो आपको ज्यादा तकलीफ होगी, बिकॉज यूर elephant cannot reach here, there is a supporter continuous, so that is why attacking only rook is not possible, so that is why attack from here. And black बहुत शान है, black बोलता है मैं मारूंगा तो मैं नीचे बैठ हो जाऊंगा, black saves, then attack from here. Now attack is here also and attack is here also, so he saves again. Now you can come over here. So this place is very important. If this comes, you will kill. If this goes, still you will kill. And nothing happens if this comes again over here. So you can attack the queen. ये तो मार ही नहीं सकता ना, ये मरेगा ना, तो इसको कहाँ कहाँ बचाएगा, वापस यहाँ जाएगा बचाने के लिए, तो ये मरेगा। See, one thing important is that this has support.